you're discovering someone else for the first time. You all have your firsts together. So, yeah, that's my definition.
Wala ka namang dinefine.
So every relationship, every new relationship is a first love.
Wow. Ito na paganda ni Edward kasi second na sasagot. Edward, define first love.
Beauty pageant to.
Oo nga si Manay.
First off for me, I'm still 18. I'm not
Ano
too sure.
In love ka na ba?
Diba tungkol sa movie tong... But for me, no, I don't know. I take experience from my parents as well as from my sister, as well as the people that I grew up around. First love, from my experience, is always the craziest. It's always the most painful. But it's always the one that you look for again. So, yun, definition of first love for me is the insanity, I guess. But it's always the more exciting.
Grabe na 2 words lang siya pero kinikilig tayo pag pinabanggit ang first love, ano?
Can I just
Go
say,
ahead.
Tagalog ng insanity is baliw, diba?
Aha.
When I interviewed Edward for my article in Star Studio Magazine, I asked him to describe someone.
Okay.
Nakatingin na sa akin si Edward.
Baka ma-preempt yung article.
Lumabas na siya.
Ay, it came out na.
Yes. Basta he described someone as baliw.
Okay.
Wait.
Nanay ko.
Si Albi yata din answer yung first love niya. Who was your...
Bumalik kay Albi.
Ay, hindi naman tinatanong ko sino yung first love. Hindi naman.
Hindi naman, di ba?
Okay. Baka lang gusto mo sumagot. Okay. Bey! Ay, parang alam kong hindi ko alam tong first love ni Bey. Go ahead, Bey.
Hindi, siguro yung first love, pure. Yung hindi ka naghahantay ng kapalit. Magmamahal ka lang. Ganon. Siguro yun, di ba? Kasi pag mga bata tayo, akala natin yun na yung first love. Yung pala, pwedeng nagkakamali ka lang, pwedeng infatuation lang. Yung bang parang kinakabahan ka. Pero pagka nagmahal ka kasi, it involves sacrifice and kahit na yung parang gusto mo lang maging masaya yung tao na yan.
So parang mahirap i-define ng first love, Bey. Ano? Kasi hindi mo alam.
Well, hindi lang first love. Love talaga mahirap i-define as it is, I think.
Wow, so much wisdom na. Kuya, Aga! Define, at your age, define ka ng first love.
Yun na nga eh. When we were all younger, we thought the first love was yung una mong minahal. But then, with my experience in this movie, being titled First Love, and then madami akong naririnig na definition about first love, then I realized really, every time you love, since like when I was 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, minsan, every month. Iba yan eh. Pero it's like always your first love, really. You know? Parang, and then, I wanted to share this because maganda to. Pasensya na, hindi na sanay sa ilaw, nainibago lang. When I saw the hashtag ng movie na Live Love Now, that's when I realized that's really first love. Parang every time you love is your first love. Bagong tao, bagong pag-ibig, and then the Live Love Now is really the secret to first love, meaning it's to life. Parang you live now. Love now. Don't love yesterday. Don't love tomorrow. Love now. And it's all about the now. It's all about the moment. So when you're in love, when you want to love now. You want life, live life now. That's first love.
Ako si Bea.
Or siguro may adults.
Go ahead,
Siguro
Bea.
yung sa first love, di ba pag nagmamahal tayo for the first time, hindi tayo masyado nag-iisip. We just go for it. We just love. We become carefree and reckless. So siguro yun yung first love when we do not overthink.
The reason behind the title First Love. Actually naman ng director, Direct Paul, define First Love.
Define first love.
Kung ano yung first love sa pelikula baka makatulong.
In the movie,
Without being
yeah, like I said, and it's just to kind of reiterate what has been already said here, is that Nick and Ali are going to experience a lot of firsts together in the film, and love is a part of that. So it's something you need to experience with all of us on October 17. And it's, I really believe it's going to literally speak to your hearts. So
Kuya, may sasagot.
No, just when you thought, like, just when you think na pag nagmahal ka dati, parang, oh my God, this is like my first love. And then you fall in love again.
First na
And then
naman.
but it's always like that. You feel it. Parang, this is not one of those. You don't waste your time. Like, you meet someone, man, it's like magic. You fall in love. This is like the first time I'm feeling this.
So
And
first
then you
na
meet
lang.
another person again. Oh my God, this is
I know.
different again.
Alam mo, totoo yan, no, Bay?
Parang naman ganun eh.
Tsaka
I mean, it's love, you know? It's always at first.
Saka naisip ko lang, hindi kaya parang ganun din yung pelikula namin. I'm sure marami nang nagkaroon ng ganitong story na nakita niyo naman sa trailer na meron akong heart disease. I'm sure marami ng pelikula about it, no? But just when you know, when you thought na akala mo, alam mo na yung mangyayari, actually hindi pa. Marami pa there's more to the movie than the trailer. So baka ganun din, it's like the first love.
Actually,
Baka
so-
parang feeling mo, na-experience mo na yung love, pero darating yung tao na magpapa-experience sa'yo what is love talaga and how it feels like to really fall in love.
Have you been in love, Bay, syempre?
A lot of times.
A lot of times. Did the Ethel? Oh, Seska, you have something to say?
No, I just wanted to say also, since Aga brought up the hashtag, if you guys are posting something for today, the hashtag is First Love Media Day, and you can remind everyone that it is streaming live on Star Cinema and 1017 social media accounts.
Ayun.
And also, a while ago, I mean, when we listen to Aga talk, ang sarap niya pakinggan magsalita, diba? And can I just say also, in the dressing room a while ago, before heading over here, si Aga led everyone in a beautiful prayer. You really have a way with words. It's so wonderful listening to you speak.
Inglisa naman ang Inglisa.
Ay, sorry na.
Kunti lang baon ko. Did the Ethel? Meron ka dyan or here?
Thank you.
For your last question.
For Edward, this is your first one of your big projects with Out My Mind. So ito na. How is it going solo for this project, and how did My Mind support you in this one?
Well, when I first found out about, I got called by my manager. I said, "Well, Edward, don't freak out. Sinabi, don't freak out, but this is what could happen if you want it." And so I didn't know what to say. I was honestly speechless on the call. And when I hung up the phone, my and my mom were actually there. We were in the same room. And I looked at my mom. I said, "Mom, I might be in a movie with Agamulak and Bea Alonso." And she, let's just say she was excited. And then I turned to Mama and I told her. And Mama was like, she walked up to me because I was really, my hand was shaking because I was so excited. I was really excited, but I was nervous at the same time. I mean, I'm a really new actor. I started in showbiz 2 years ago in PBB. I've only been in showbiz really for a year now. And to get this chance, it was an amazing opportunity. I don't really want to look at them right now because I might tear up. But honestly, it was an amazing opportunity. I was so excited to do it. And when Mama came up to me, she said, kaya mo yun. I know you can do this. This is your chance to do it. So when I was in Canada, we were in Vancouver, there were some scenes where I had to go change. And when I was changing, I brought my phone with me. I was Mama had sent me like a video message. And she said, watch this only if you're freaking out. If you don't freak out, don't watch it. There were scenes where I was freaking out so much. But she was there every step of the way with me, so all I can say about the movie so far is that I felt so comfortable, not really because of my own skills, but because of Direct Paul, because of Guyaga and Debea, and of course Albie and the whole cast as well. I have nothing but gratitude for this movie and for the production.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, congrats in advance.
Thank you so much.